Okay everyone, here is another feature of this website that we are going to have in this package, and that is the social login. I have used a plugin that is called Super Socializer, and it gives you the ability to add social login with Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest. By the way, this floating bar has been added by the plugin, and this is unnecessary. Anyway, for now I have only added this Facebook social login feature. You can add LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, Gmail. For the Gmail I have added my API integration, but it needs a verification, so for now it is not available. Anyway, let's go to the main page. Here is it, and let's see how it works. And let me just explain a bit that what is the benefit of the social login. Again, I always think about the customer and care about that customer should not be confused by your screen. So instead of customer having to fill forms with first name, last name, email, blah blah blah, uh, we should give him relief. We should give him an option that they can log in simply. So the second part that is more important, the first one is that we know Facebook is has billions of the user, so everyone has account on Facebook. So it is very easy for your customer to purchase by simply logging in with Facebook. So here it is. You can add as many icon, the available icon on that plugin. For now it is Facebook. Let's click on that, fill in the info. It is taking some time, and that's it. By the way, I want to tell you one thing more, that Facebook social login was not working on my dev site. The demo that I have showed in my previous video is on my dev 5, but Facebook social login plugin was not working on the dev site, and so I just installed this on my main website, right? The social login plugin and the MailChimp I have installed on my main site, but when you purchase that package, you will get all the functionality without any error or bug. Okay, so here it is, and you can see your addresses and your account detail, and it gets only these 3 or 4 info: the first name, last name, display name, and the email address, and nothing else. And by the way, this is the only thing you want. If you get the email, you know what you can do with that. You got the email of a customer, and I have another video about the MailChimp. MailChimp is a plugin that gives you the ability of email marketing. It's a giant. It's have tons of the feature, and it's full package with email marketing. I am also going to make a video on that, and you can import the contacts in your MailChimp account, and it gives you also ability to collect the information, collect your audience or your customer through different ways, like through a subscription form, through a sign up form, many ways. Well, that's another video. So for now, you got the email, and this email was this video was about the social login. So as you can see, it's very easy for the customer to log in instead of filling the form. Now he can go to the shop and order anything. So that's it for that, and hope you enjoyed that video. If you enjoyed, liked, and please do visit my website. And if you want uh, any website, or you want to boost your business, as I have told you that having a business online existence is a must have for your business. So till then, take care.